What up, guys? KJ here, and in this video we're going to be talking about what's going on specifically in the markets right now, to the minute. If you like these videos, make sure to like now, subscribe, comment below. I'm going to try to run down what I'm seeing as quickly as possible and not waste any of your time because stuff is happening right now. So let's pull up the charts. Okay, so in the last video from Sunday morning, I was super bearish on the break of this MA, the light blue, this 99 MA on the hourly. And when I woke up Sunday, I saw Ethereum was looking quite bullish. It looked like it was flirting with the top of the range. FBTC was bullish. Bitcoin was bouncing up. And I was watching for this level to be tested. And as you can see, right as the weekly was closing, we pumped through it. And then the hourly closed as a horrible rejection, like with a volume breakout. So basically what you want to look at is you see the volume is trending down, and then this volume comes in, and the bottom line is a candle like this guy, it's super bearish. It's a super bearish candle, closes right below the MA, and it didn't give people much time to get out. It just fucking dumped. So these things are going to happen. When we look at ETH, like you can see ETH also put in, this is just a really ugly, full, nice body candle with a long wick, volume breakout. This is nothing but bearish. So like if you were trading that and you saw that, like basically at that point you really could short that. Honestly, you could short it, or you just move up your stops, close your long, whatever you're going to do. But typically a candle like that at resistance is almost always very bad. Okay, so what do we do now, right? Let's look at, Bitcoin looks like it's going lower. When you look at the daily, Bitcoin is already below the 21 daily moving average, clearly been rejected by the 60. ETH is sitting on the 60, looking like it's going to follow Bitcoin down to at least the 21. Keep in mind when you're trading on futures exchanges such as Bybit, by the way, got a $4,000 bonus if you sign up with my link. It's in the bio. But these tend to give wicks below, so it's very dangerous knife catching a breakdown like that. But I would expect ETH to be going to like the low 13s today. And if you're a scalper, you probably could. You want to look out for the liquidations, see when they hit, see when they go to the key level, and kind of wait for the wick. There should be some sort of bounce out of there, but it's a bounce that will probably be shorted heavily. So, you don't want to necessarily wreck yourself catching a knife. But looking at ETH, see this cluster here? When you get tight candles like this in a small range at a key level, whichever way it goes, I never fade. So if this were to break out and get candle closes outside of the range, that would make me bullish. You get a nice move out of that. But now that we've closed, you have this candle from hell closing outside of the range, and now you're getting follow through while Bitcoin is also doing bearish stuff. It's not great, guys. It certainly, to me, it looks like this box, if we can blow through this box, it's gonna go most likely to the bottom of this range, if not break it entirely. So I wouldn't be surprised to see 3-figure ETH if we're not able to hold support here. So what it would look like for me, what I'm guessing is you'll probably go in here and then do that, like not straight down, but up around here. That would be kind of like your max opportunity short and easy to structure. So keep an eye on that in the upcoming day or two. Should make some sort of bear flag to squeeze out late shorts, and then when it starts to get close to bullish again, then that's where you can short with like a very tight stop, and structure yourself a good trade if you want to short down here. Now the other thing that I'm seeing is BTC adjusted. It really fooled me. Sunday morning I woke up and I was like, oh my God, like I'm bearish, but I don't want everybody to get wrecked on a gigapump, because it was quite close. I mean, it really was. But at the last second, everything rejected, and this bounced. And now we're looking at what's going on. Kind of similar situation. If this is able to get through 56, it can get very dangerous for alts. So alts will get hurt more than Bitcoin in this move if this does not reject like immediately. This needs to reject very soon. If not, I don't know, man. It's bad. It's really bad for alts, especially alts. So if you're trading, you're gonna make more money shorting alts than you will Bitcoin. Alts are basically Bitcoin on leverage. So like, you know, you gotta be careful with your position sizing. They're super volatile and you can get hunted. But in general, like, you're still gonna make more money if Bitcoin continues to break down. The same way when Bitcoin's bouncing, you make more money longing alts than you would Bitcoin. You're gonna make more money shorting them too. So don't be too afraid to short them, especially if Bitcoin's looking as it is. Okay, so there you have it, folks. Not telling you anything you can't see with your own eyes. Things do not look good, clearly. And one of the other things that's going on is you're going to be getting a lot of financial data released this week. And it seems like the White House is already trying to front run the bad numbers by saying that a recession is not 2 quarters or whatever. They're changing the rules, which would indicate that they know that the numbers are going to be bad this week. So, you know, Wall Street and big players are not idiots. They know this as well. So part of that is being priced in my opinion. And when those numbers come out, expect a dump. But I think there will be some sort of squeeze to catch people off guard. The people that are late are always going to be punished, regardless of which side. So if you're trading on leverage, remember, there will be squeezes. I don't think it just goes to zero or just nukes without there being moves that totally destroy the late shorters. So I would be looking for a bounce off the levels that I gave in the video. For Bitcoin, I'm not too sure what that is. It could be 20K, but ETH in the low 13s, there should be some sort of bounce there that hurts people and gets people a little bit excited again. And you know, you want to watch it go back up to like close to 15. It's a nice move. That's a nice move if you get it. And if you can play it both ways, that's kind of the area where you're going to want to take off risk again. This is only for people that are, you know, low time frame traders. If you're a high time frame guy that's not trading on leverage, then you really kind of want to wait for the lower end of the range to be hit again before you start deploying capital. You don't want to really get caught in the middle here. And right now we're really in the middle, still towards the upper end of the range. So it doesn't make a tremendous amount of sense to be deploying your USD into a falling knife. Wait to see where this settles down, and as that happens, we will get more information. So stay tuned. I will try to keep you as updated as possible, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to smash up those likes. Hook it up. Let me try to get 200. I want to try to get 200 likes on one of these videos, and then we can move forward from there. But yeah, appreciate you guys for watching. Have a good day.